Well, today is a sunny June 7th, 2024. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. I'm at Great River. Going to get a few trains here, including the Cannonball. And I've heard some rumors, I don't know if it's true or not, that the railroad is changing their cab car horns. I've never heard anything to that effect before. I'm not sure if there's any truth in it. Let's find out for ourselves. Well, at 4:38, there are 3 westbounds coming with cab cars leading. 17 from Montauk to Jamaica. Spaghetti and meatballs with an equipment move from Patchogue to Babylon. And 45 local from Spionk to Jamaica. We also have 78, Babylon Patchogue with 423, K5 LLA. And the Cannonball, train 16 tonight, is going to have a K5 LLA sandwich. 509 on the point, 521 in the rear with 12 cars in the middle. Well, here's 78 leading Babylon Patchogue. At 5:11, approaching Great Rivers, train 16, the Cannonball. Penn Station of Montauk with a K5 LLA sandwich. 5:09 on the point. 12 cars and then 5:21. Double K5 LLAs. Cannonball almost never has a K5 LLA leading it. Today, 2 for the price of 1.